Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter Lexus ES 350 Easy Guide. Start by opening the glove box and removing all contents so you have a clear workspace. Press the glove box sides inward to release the stops and lower it fully for access. Locate the rectangular cabin filter cover behind the glove box, then press the tabs and remove the cover carefully to expose the old filter. With the cover removed, observe the airflow arrow on the old filter and remember its orientation for the replacement. Gently pull the filter straight out to avoid dropping debris into the HVAC intake or blower area. Take a quick look inside the housing and use a soft brush or vacuum to remove leaves, dust bunnies, and other contaminants before inserting the new filter for a clean seal and better airflow. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making car maintenance videos that save you time and money. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I toss them on while working on the car, and they hold up great. Check the description for the link to the socks and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Unwrap your new cabin filter and align the airflow arrow to point toward the HVAC unit, which is away from the passenger cabin, then slide it into the slot gently. Make sure the filter sits flush and the edges seal against the housing so unfiltered air cannot bypass the element. Reinstall the cover, snap the retaining tabs into place, lift the glove box until the stops engage, and run the blower to confirm improved airflow and reduced odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.